Hi, this is Ashlyn with Bellevue Avenue and Ashlyn Mae Photography, and I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use the bonus Skydrops and cloud brushes that are included when you buy the full Resplendent Collection Photoshop actions. So what the Skydrops are, they are pre-blurred skies so that you can just drop them right into your image and not worry about blurring them to blend into your depth of field. They're super easy and they come with Skydrop actions to help place them and blend them for you. There's also a cloud brush prep action that places a bluish gradient on your image so that you can paint your cloud brushes over the top of it. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to use the Skydrops and then I'll show you the cloud brushes. So to get started, you will go to your Skydrops action and click it to get started. And it's going to guide you to navigate to your Skydrop folder where all of your Skydrops are, and you can choose whatever you think will fit your image. In this example, I'm going to use this one, and then you click place, check, and it will run the rest of it for you. What it's going to do is pre-select the highlights in your image. I know it looks weird right now, but it's going to pre-select the highlights, which should be your blown out sky. And then what you can do after that is take your black brush and kind of brush off anything else that you don't want the sky on. Also, with the Skydrops are additional little effects, and I like to do these because they seem to blend with it a little bit more. I'm going to lower the opacity on this just a bit, and then to brush this off of her skin, I'm going to select the layer mask, choose a soft black brush, and brush it off her skin and her dress. I'm also going to lower my flow. I'm going to lower the opacity on this just a little bit more. Okay, and I am going to lower the flow on that brush and just kind of paint all around her and bring some of this little bit of brightness in here so that there's not a halo around her, but there's no sky on her either. Okay, so there's before and after. I'm going to brush off a little bit more down here around these plants. Okay, and before and after. And of course you can choose between more sunsetty skies and more colorful skies that will fit your image. Now the next thing are the cloud brushes. I'm going to show you how to load those. People make the mistake of trying to load the cloud brushes through the actions panel, but since they're brushes, they won't run as actions. So please don't try and load them through your actions panel by going through here and loading. You need to select your brush, click up here to where your brush panel is, select this little icon, and then come down here and click Load Brushes. Then you'll navigate to your cloud brush folder and select the cloud brushes, and then they should load right up. Okay, so there they are. Let's prep the image for the cloud brushes. So we'll run the cloud brush prep action, and I'm going to brush a bit of this off of her skin again. Okay, so we have the sky in place, and this empty layer right here where it says brush cloud here is where you will place your cloud brush. So make sure to choose a white or an off-white color for your cloud brush, and then come in here and select whatever cloud you want to add. So I'm going to choose this one and kind of resize it down and just click it right on, and there it is. Let's select another one for the other side. Okay, we'll add one right there. So that's all there is to it with the cloud brushes. I do like to blur them just a little bit because there's a depth of field aspect here where the trees are blurred. So it wouldn't make sense if the clouds are crisp and clear if the trees back there are blurred. So I like to go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur, and just a little bit, not a ton, because I want you to be able to see that those are clouds. So probably about right there. Okay? So before and after. Super fun, very easy, and just a neat little bonus on there when you buy the full collection. Thanks so much for joining us, and check out the other tutorials on the Resplendent Collection.